In today's video, I'm going to give you a side-by-side comparison of two 2022 Toyota Tundras, one that's sitting at the stock height on the stock tires, and another one that's been leveled out with a 2-inch spacer lift in the front and a set of 35-inch mud terrain tires. So on the right, we've got the Platinum model, which is sitting on stock tires at stock height, and on the left, we've got the Limited model with that 2-inch spacer lift and a set of 35-inch tires. One thing that is worth noting is that the Platinum model on the right is also the 6.5-foot long bed, whereas the Limited has the shorter 5.5-foot bed. So it's not a complete apples to apples comparison. Both trucks do have 20-inch wheels, and you'll see that these stock tires on the Platinum are a 265 by 60 R20 road tire. Just going with a more aggressive tire would definitely make a difference here. It is worth noting as well that this Platinum model is equipped with the air ride suspension. Currently the rear is sitting at the normal ride height, but it can raise up 1.6 inches or drop down 1.2. And then the Limited model is sitting at the stock height in the rear, so no lift in the back. And then we've just got a cheap 2-inch spacer lift in the front. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check that out. My plan is to upgrade that when better options come available. And I may stick with 2 inches in the front, maybe go up to 3. And depending on what I do in the front, I'm looking to add 1 to 2 inches of lift in the rear. Now again, we've got 20-inch wheels on the Limited. These are the stock TRD off-road wheels. And then we've got a 35 by 12.5 R20 tire. These are the Goodyear Fierce Attitude. It's a mud terrain tire. Gives the truck a really aggressive stance. And as good as this looks on camera, it actually looks a lot better in person. A 2-inch spacer lift and a more aggressive set of tires would make a night and day difference on this Platinum model. So there you go, that's a side-by-side look of a stock 2022 Tundra and another one sitting level with a 2-inch spacer lift and a set of 35-inch tires. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments section below. And for more videos of the all-new Tundra, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.